Hi everyone. If you have been writing Solidity or you are just getting started with testing your smart contract with Foundry, I'm sure you must have tried to implement cast or use things with Foundryup. But when you try to do it, you are getting something like this in your terminal. This is what I'm trying to say. Say you're trying to say Foundry up, then you get this error that the term Foundryup is not recognized and it's not running. Same thing when you try to run cast. You can see cast is not also recognized. So here is the issue. These commands won't work in PowerShell, in CMD, in a couple of all these terminals. Sometimes will not even work in Ubuntu, but will only work in GitBash. So here's what you're going to do. Try to install GitBash into your machine. If you don't know how to do that, I'll take a couple of seconds to show you how to do it. Type GitBash on your search engine, then you should land here. As a Windows user, just go to that Windows area, click on it, download it, install it, and have it to run on your machine. When you're done with that, let's go back to VS Code, then I'll show you the trick. Simply come to your VS Code, and here is the trick, guys. Here is the trick. So come here, click here, then select Git Bash. And that changes the context of your terminal to a Git Bash. And there you have this. Then you can now run your Foundryup or maybe Cast Wallet. Let's try Cast Wallet first. You can see Cast Wallet is running. Let's try to run Foundryup. Foundryup is also running. So that's the solution to it. A lot of new guys I've met, or anyone new to Foundry I've met using Windows, they try to run these commands in their PowerShell or their CMD, and it doesn't work that way. Particularly Foundry Up and Cast, they will only work in a GitBash if you are using Windows. And I hope that solves it for you. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.